Hey guys, it's me, Wolves, here, and today I need to address something that I think Animal Jam doesn't make fair for most jammers and Animal Jam, all jammers, like new jammers and stuff. Now, when Animal Jammers get on Animal Jam, they think, wow, look at this place, so full of cool items and stuff, and I can't wait to collect. Well, sadly for them, they turn out that they get really bad items Also, I'm featured here with Cool Wolf, oh my gosh, 5, or Cool Wolf OMG 5. She supports me on this, and so she's saying don't bully non-members, which is completely true. Don't bully them because they have no rares, because they can't have any rares. For example, this is my backup, and, okay, I've been trading on here and stuff, but let me just show you something. They get crappy items like this. Like, I love this. This is adorable, but I'm just saying they get crappy items. They don't get the rares. Most of the rares. They don't get cool items like party hats and stuff. They have to suffer through really bad, ugly items. That is not fair. It's not fair to jammers. I think AJHQ should fix this because jammers quit. This is why some non-members quit, because they can't have cool items, and some jammers can't afford it. And like she said, don't bully non-members because if they don't have cool stuff, because it's completely true on this topic. It's not cool, jammers. Like, if you do this, this is my backup, so I won't actually trade it. But if you guys go up to a non-member and you do this, which I don't like you guys doing this, you trade. They see the trade and they're like, oh my gosh, yes. And this is what you do. And that's just horrible. Like, it's horrible because the jammer was thinking they're going to get amazing. I don't like trolling, but, it's bad. Jammers shouldn't do that. It's not nice. Because jammers, they're smart, okay? They're really smart. And some of them can tell when a troll is there. But I don't think that that's really cool. You guys should not do trolling at all. You should accept the trade and be true jammer. And, but honestly, jammers, you need to stop being so mean towards new members. It's not their fault that they're not as rare as you or not as less as rare as you. It's not their fault. What if they can't pay for their membership, right? It's not fair to some jammers if they, aren't rare because they can't be rare because they can't afford the membership. It's not fair to some jammers. It's not fair to all jammers, honestly. It's not fair. Like, she's actually really nice. She said, if you're a bully, you're less cool than a non-member. So stop bullying. Oh, people, okay, guys. She's actually really cool at this. We're just stating the obvious truth that jammers should have the same respect as members, because it seems like Animal Jam is treating members better than they do non-members. Like, let me show you something. So, let me just point 3 things out. First, let's say I'm a new jammer, okay? I'm going to jammer, and I'm like, whoa, look at this place, look at all these cool items. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. And I'm like, ooh, this place looks so cool. I go in here, and I look at here, and I have 6 diamonds. I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to spend. I click on this button, and I see this really cool stuff. And then I look over here, and I click on this. And then I go over here, and I click on Elf Tail, and I choose a color. I think that color looks really cool. I click buy, and this comes up. I say, oh, well, okay, I can join the club. And it's $6. I don't want to pay $6. So, that's not That's not cool. Like, honestly, what's the point in that? Like, but then again, but then again, if you're like a member, then you go to the diamond shop and stuff, and you click on here, and of course you're just like, oh wow, I really want an elf tail, and you go back here, click on that. Let's see what color do I want. You click on the elf tail, you buy it. You can buy it. You can buy it, and like, people. What is wrong with people these days? What is wrong with people? Like, I was playing on my backup account because it got suspended on my main. And because, like, I was trying to say something and Animal Jam thought it was censored and stuff like that. But what I was trying to say is, please trade me elf tails. Please trade me elf tails. People were coming up to me being like, no way. You pay for... People were saying this to me, like something like this, pay for your own membership and stuff like that, and it was making me so sad. But honestly, guys, seriously, people need to wake up. Jammers these days, they try to be rare, they try to be cool, and most of the time, people just try to be rare to impress others. But they don't really care, do they? I don't think so. The only reason why people try to be rare is so that they can impress other people, and that's, oh my gosh, it's not about the frickin' items, okay? It's not about them. I would give my entire account up for my cat. I'm serious. I would give all of my rares and all my stuff up for my cat because this game does not matter. Like, I love this game, but, like, this is a good game. I love it. It's good quality and stuff, and it has good details, but I'm serious. This is not fair to non-members if they can't do what they want to do on Animal Jam. The reason why people go on this game is to have fun, not to be bullied by other jammers, being calling on rare, and just not be able to get really cool items without having to trade a whole buttload, probably for like a year just to get a freaking warrant that you can get an adventure for members. And like, this is not, I'm like, this topic is really serious because, like, it's serious, okay guys? Like, it's serious on Animal Jam because it matters a lot. But that's all I have to say. You guys, if you guys are up against this, send a Animal Jam HQ email about this. Stuff like that. Like, it's that freaking... Animal Jam needs to know. I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. So, I'll see you later. And I told her that. So, if you guys are up against this, and you would like to help Gemma, like, you would like to help Animal Jam's wealth being, because I think this is what's going to happen. Animal Jam's going to die. Animal Jam is going to die because people aren't letting jammers be themselves. And people are going to be like, hey, this is not fair. We're going to all quit our Animal Jam. Everybody quits Animal Jam. Animal Jam is dead. It's serious. This is how this is going to go. So if you guys are up against this, go in the comment section and say something like hashtag non-members rock or hashtag bring cool items to non-members and stuff like that. But I think that people should pay for their memberships through gems, like 100 gems for 1 week of membership. And if you don't pay through the Animal Jam, then you lose your membership. But you still get to use your cool items and wolves and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, and by the way, 2 more things that I wanted to say. Oh, one more thing that I wanted to say. You can't get more animals. And plus, here, I'm just going to delete this guy. If you go to add an animal, you can't get kangaroos, cheetahs, raccoons, foxes, owls, or even cool deers, or, you know, alpacas, goats, you know, like, a freaking coyote, stuff like this, Arctic wolves and stuff. You can't get that. You have to stay with stupid old little animals. They're just disgusting. Like, I mean, I love all the animals. I do, but, like, jammers, seriously, get it together. Get it together, you guys. I'm so mad. You guys should respect all jammers. You guys have to accept that jammers matter as well. It's not only members. I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys like this video, because this is matter. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.